Today I'm going to show you how to install a new solid state hard drive and some memory DIMMs into a MacBook Pro. Nice and simple. By the tab, and we are going to unplug the SATA. Pull carefully, you don't want to ruin the ribbon or do any damage. Pretty straightforward. And then we're going to take this tab off. We're going to save this for when we install the new one. It's got enough residual adhesive on there to work on the new one. We're going to remove these with a Torx 6 screw bit, as we will need these to go into the new drive. We are going from a 500 gigabyte Toshiba to a 1 terabyte Samsung Evo 860. Should be a lot faster. Now we just had to put the mounting pins back in. As such, nice and simple. We're going to take and reattach the tab. Just makes it for easy removal. Probably don't have to do this, but on here anyway. So it's on there again. So for the next time around, we're going to reattach this to the SATA connector. Put it back in place. Put the retaining bar back in. Make sure the power is reconnected. Now I'll put the case back on. Voila.